Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. I was thinking, what if Japanese man makes Western style back to school bento? And this is it. Let's get started with Karaage Sandwich Bento. I like to bring egg salad sandwich with Karaage sandwich. I think these two flavors are a good match. The ratio of my egg salad is 1 boiled egg, which I keep in the fridge all the time, a pinch of salt and pepper, and 2 teaspoons of mayo. Prepare sweet and sour karaage as I showed in the last video. Make a slit to your favorite roll, then sand with lettuce. Don't forget the squeeze of mayonnaise. Pack with potato salad. I also like the combination of sweet and sour flavored chicken and potato salad. This is my favorite combination since I was a child. Then pack frozen edamame. Frozen edamame is a good substitute for ice pack, keeping your bento cold for a while. This is a popular tip for Japanese men, and of course you can eat as it is. Pack in cheese if you like. Karaage sandwich bento is done. Karaage is basically a fried chicken. It surely goes well with bread, not only for steamed rice. Keep you full for the rest of the day. It is a good idea to bring it with a frozen drink in the summertime to keep your bento safe. Next, Tamagoyaki Sandwich. We love Tamagoyaki so much, therefore we make it into a sandwich. It's funny that Tamagoyaki is a traditional food, but the sandwich is a kind of trend in these days. Let's start with making carrot salad to bring with sandwich. Shred carrot with a shred peeler. Toss in a pinch of salt, leave until sweat for about 5 to 6 minutes. Squeeze out the liquid, add a can of tuna, sushi vinegar, and olive oil. I have arranged the recipe to go well with the bread. I add heavy cream along with mentsuyu. Heavy cream makes the texture of the tamagoyaki richer and milder, match with the bread. The bread should be fluffy white bread. We use shokupan in Japanese, the most popular daily bread. Heat the tamagoyaki pan on medium and add oil. Pour 1/4 of egg mixture, then fold in half that matches to the size of the bread. Repeat the process 3 more times until you use up all the egg mixture. Put a piece of bread on finished tamagoyaki, then take it out. Put 1 more piece of bread on top, then it's done. Cut into 4 and pack in the bento box. Fill the gap with frozen edamame. Pack carrot salad in a separate box. Then good to go. Next, katsu sandwich. Take out several pieces of cutlet from the freezer, then make into sandwich with an easy arrangement. Let's make coleslaw salad first. Shred cabbage with a big peeler, slice cucumber and carrot with a mandarin. Toss in a pinch of salt, then squeeze out the excess liquid. Season with sushi vinegar and mayo and white pepper. As you can see, I use sushi vinegar to salad. Sushi vinegar is not only for sushi. Meanwhile, deep fry the cutlet. Start heating on medium-low. When it reaches 160 degrees Celsius, slide in cutlet. Coat the outside and set aside until used. Apply small amount of mayonnaise on the bread, then cut into 2. Pile up some pieces of lettuce and baby leaves. Put cutlet on top, then sand with bread. Poke with pinches and put the ingredients together. Pack with coleslaw and the cutlet sandwich is done. You can use pork cutlet or chicken, whichever you want. Last but not least, super musubi. Have you ever seen the loaded rice bowl ever before? In Hawaii, of course, Okinawa, Japan, and Amami Island, where my father is from, this is a very popular rice bowl. For young age like my son, high school student, this is a good energy source. Keep them for longer. Let's get started cooking with the sautéed red bell pepper. Slice bell pepper thinly with a mandarin. It cooks faster and tastes better when it's sliced thinly with a mandarin. Slice spam into 5 mm thick. Beat 1 egg and add a pinch of salt. Cook a thin omelette. Flip it over if you can, but you don't have to do it. Take out onto a tray. Pan fry spam on the same pan until golden. Make small flat rice bowl with a bowl of rice. Slice omelette into 3. I'm taking care not to touch the food, especially the rice, with my bare fingers as much as I can. I want to make it clean to avoid contamination. Line a piece of plastic. Place a strip of nori seaweed, spam, tamagoyaki, and rice ball. Wrap it tight to look nicer, and it's done. Packed in a bento box, sautéed red bell pepper, grapes, and cheese. There you have spam musubi bento. It doesn't have to be exactly the same as mine, but you can pack anything you want. I wish you all have a happy lunchtime. Thank you for watching the video. Give me a big thumbs up if you like it, and tap the bell icon if you don't want to miss any of my recipes. Go to my website for more information and written recipes. And if you are wondering what I am using in the video, go to my store on Amazon. Thanks again and see you in a week. Bye!